Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So today let's do some interesting craft works and crayon works. Here I've taken an yellow color and the orange color crayons. Same way an yellow color crayons is being drawn in a crack in directions like a hair type, and then again an yellow color crayons has been rotated, and then a green color crayons has been made and shaded. So let's draw using a black color is being drawn inside the leaves, that is a branches, and then let's draw the leaves that has been drawn bottom, and then a black color sketch has been used. Let's put some craft papers like pink color, and then a purple color has been traveling. So using an hand movements, I'm drawing the eyes and then the ears and then the nose and the teeth is being drawn and the tongue is being drawn, and then a bills is being drawn. So a tongue that is opening out and watering, that is being drawn. With a gray color shade using a sketch, a pink color, and then with a blue color is being drawn, and the tongue with a red color and the watering with a blue color. So let me put some shades with the green color and the blue color. So a round color craft paper is being taken, and then using an hand movement, it's been shaded with the green color and the yellow color. So using a clay divided by 2 and paste. Here I'm drawing a crocodile, and then a green color dots is being pasted, and eyes is being used a glue, and the black is being made using a clay, and then a teeth is being done with the clay. So using a black sketch, let's draw some lines over it, and let's draw the windows, and then using a clay part colors, let's draw the yellow color, and then with the orange color it's been shaded over the near the drawn places, and a dark orange has been shaded one by one, and then let's draw the leaves inside the clay and the crayons. So brown color is being taken, and the brown crayon and pink and the yellow crayon is being shaded into white paper. So a green color is being shaded into a paper, and a white color. Stick on to the blue color this shaded crayons, and use a brown color crayon to draw the stick. So here's the different kinds of ice cream candies that is being done. One is an watermelon candy, another is a square box cuboid is being done, and it's been shaded with yellow color. Here's different kinds of candy frames. A yellow color paint is being shaded into a blue color. Let's paint it the body and the movements, and then let's draw the ears and paint them. So a horns is being drawn, so a lips and the mouth is being drawn. So shading with a brown color and a white color for the eyes, and the black with the lips, and an eyes being shaded with the black color and the white color. Here's a giraffe that is being made. Take a plastic paper, put a clay inside it and paste over the paper. Same way a yellow color and the different colors is being done. So put a green color using a Butz paint, put them over them all over the place, and then put a pot onto it.